So you've seen Power Apps in Microsoft Teams, and you want to learn how to make great looking apps in Teams too. The How To App template for Microsoft Teams walks you step by step through building your first app in Power Apps in Teams. Inside the Power Apps app in Microsoft Teams, the app will guide you step by step through the Power Apps journey as you build an asset checkout app that can be used to track a library of tools, computers, books, or really any kind of assets that you manage and share with your colleagues. You'll start with Data Model, and the app will give you detailed instructions for you to build out the remaining tables in the app. The How To app has already been started for you, and the in-app instructions give you detailed steps about what you need to do to complete the app. How To keeps track of your progress, so if you ever need to take a break, you won't lose your place. As you complete the steps, it'll move you to the next step through creating the sample data, uploading pictures, adding screens, UI components, bringing it together, and finally publishing out your app. And when you get done with building your app, you'll have a great asset checkout app that you can use to manage your library of assets and keep track of who has them. To get started today with the How To app, go to aka.ms/Teams How To app. But that's not all. Check out these other apps available now for Microsoft Teams.